These coalitions are formed to compete for mates and territory. A larger coalition has a better chance of taking over and maintaining control. At around 3 years old, young males leave their pride. They spend the next few years avoiding confrontations while seeking allies. Once they reach their prime at about 4 to 5 years old, they challenge existing coalitions for dominance. Tune into our forthcoming short video for an in-depth exploration of male lion coalition in Tanzania. Subscribe for more stories and video updates.